Hari Om children, this is exercise number 6.5, sum number 4. For the production function P equals 3L to the power 0.4 K to the power 0.6, find the marginal production of labor L and capital K when L equals 10 and K equals 6. Use 0.6 whole to the power 0.6 equal to 0.736. Wherever there is 0.6 power 0.6, we will use this value, and 1.67 to the power 0.4 we will use this value. Clear? First write the production function. P equals 3L to the power 0.4 K to the power 0.6. So marginal production of labor we are going to find out first. So dou P labor, dou P by dou L. We have to differentiate the given production function with respect to L. So 3 into 0.4, 1.2, 4 3 4s are 12, 1.2 L to the power 0.4 minus 1. Here K is constant. Since this is multiplication, it will not affect the differentiation function. So we can write K as such, which is equal to 1.2 L, 0.4 minus 1 is minus 0.6. So this is negative power. I am going to make it as positive power by bringing this term to the denominator. So minus 0.6, when it goes to the denominator, it becomes plus 0.6 into K to the power 0.6. Rearrange and write 1.2 into K to the power 0.6 divided by L to the power 0.6. I'll take 0.6 in common outside the bracket. So K by L whole to the power 0.6. 1.2 into K I have to substitute 6, L I have to substitute 10. So 6 divided by 10 whole to the power 0.6. 6 by 10 is 0.6 whole to the power 0.6. 0.6 power 0.6 is 0.736, which is equal to 1.2 into 0.736. Now multiply 0.736 into 1.2. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 2s are 14, 6 3 7, add it, 13 1 4 4 8, 7 plus 1 8, 1 2 3 4. Count 4 decimal places. So your answer is 0.8832 is your dou P by dou L, marginal production of labor. Next we have to find marginal production of capital. Okay, now same, we are going to write the equation. 3L whole to the power 0.4 K whole to the power 0.6. This is for capital. Dou P by dou K. With respect to K, we have to differentiate. When we differentiate, I'll get when I differentiate, L is a constant and it is in multiplication along with K. So L will not be affected. 3L whole to the power 0.4. This 0.6 will come to the front into K, 0.6 minus 1. So 0.6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. 1.8 L to the power 0.4 K to the power 0.6 minus 1 minus 0.4. So this is negative power. I am going to bring it down to make it as positive power. I will get 1.8 L to the power 0.4 divided by k to the power 0.4. 0.4 I am going to take it in common. I'll get L by k whole to the power 0.4. Here L is 10 and k is 6. 1.8 into 10 by 6 whole to the power 0.4. Cancel it. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, which is equal to 1.8 into 5 by 3 whole to the power 0.4. 5 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. Remainder 2 20. 6 3s are 18. Again remainder 2 20. 6 3s are 18. Again remainder 2, and it goes on. So 1.666 I can round it off as 1.67, which is equal to 1.8 into 1.67 whole to the power 0.4. 1.67 whole to the power 0.4 may be written as 1.2267, which is equal to 1.8 into 1.2267. Shall we multiply, children? 1.2267 into 1.8. 8 sevens are 56, remainder 5. 6 are 48, 49, 50, 53, balance 5. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5, 21, remainder 2. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, remainder 1. 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 8 1 3 6. Next line. 7 1 is 7, 6 1 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 1. Now add it up. 10, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 10, 9 plus 1 10, 12, 1, 2, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So your answer is 2.20806. So this one is dou P by dou K is the marginal production of capital. With this, sum number 4 in exercise number 6.5 is completed. Hari Om.